this is in Japanese. This is a Japanese product again, guys. Hi lovies, it's Marilou here. Welcome back to my channel and to my new family. Welcome to the family Lovies, my virtual hug as always. And to the old ones, thank you so much Lovies for supporting me. Today's video will be a very quick review, a first impression review regarding this famous Isehan Kiss Me Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara. This is a waterproof mascara, guys, that I ordered. This is from the online shop yesstyle.com, but this one is from Japan. It's made in Japan, guys, so all the writings in this products are in Japanese, aside from the container itself that it has an English writing, and that aside from the thing that says made in Japan, Isehan, since 1825. So I think this product is already a pioneer, I mean the brand itself. So I'm so excited to try this one. The promise of this product, guys, is super dynamic long mascara, first ever in a heroine make, and this also contains 5 mm of long fiber. It says lashes stay curled up to 24 hours, so the promise of this is really good. I hope this is very effective. It's black and silvery, as you can see, and when you open it, it says here heroine make long and curl super waterproof mascara. Oh, okay, so the wand itself, guys, is like a curve shape. Okay, now I'm seeing the fiber. I don't know if you can see it, but as you can see now, you're seeing the fiber from the wand. They said in some of the reviews, they said it's better if you curl it first with the eyelash curler because it's more effective, and you can see the difference. So we'll see. I'm going to start from the outer part. That's what I do with my mascara. You can do it either way. They said you can do like from the inner part to the outer part, but I do it in a different way, guys. You can start from the root of your lash line, guys, up to the tip of it to make sure that you evenly distribute the mascara, the fiber, into your lashes. I'm liking it already, actually. I don't know if you can see it. You can see the difference already, right? I would have to repeat it again. It's so nice, guys, because it doesn't clamp. The consistency and the fiber itself distributes in your lashes. And for like second coat, I'm doing it a little exaggerated this time. I'm doing it in the third coat. I don't know if this is right, but this is a first impression review, so we might as well experiment, right? Okay, so this is it, guys. As you can see, it makes a difference already. I don't know if you can see the difference. Oh, I'm loving it. Actually, I'm loving it. So I'm doing it on the other side. Do from the root to the tip of your lashes, guys, okay? We will do the bottom lashes, guys. So I will do it slowly since I really have very thin lashes here. So I don't want to exaggerate everything at the bottom part. Okay, I think this is it. I'll let it dry a little bit and then I will curl it again. Oh my gosh, I am loving it. As early as this, as you can see the difference of my lashes. I think it gives justice in the camera, but my mistake that I did the first, second coat and third one too early, so I think it clamped up a little bit. What I did is I just comb it with the eyelashes comb that I have. The curl itself, it's so flattering, and I hope it's worth the money that I invested in this product, because I really don't want to put false lashes all the time, so it's not really healthy. Hi guys, I am back after 3 hours of my application with this Heroine Make Mascara. Oh my god, I didn't intend to test this mascara with my tears, but yeah, I did. I also went out today for a walk and did some errands. It's actually warm today here in Israel, and I just walked for 3 kilometers. So aside from, I did retouch my powder and some lipstick because it's already gone. What they call this, the mascara itself is still there, guys. I'm really surprised. I am not really endorsing this product. No one paid me to do this, but actually I'm loving it, since after 3 hours the tendency of my mascara is they get really shy. I didn't get any smudges with this mascara, guys. It's really waterproof, and I actually squeezed my eyes after that. The overall first impression review with this product, guys, I can recommend this to all of you. And note that I am not paid to endorse this product. It's from my own pocket, and I'm just really so thankful that I am able to share this experience with you. I'm so excited with this product, since maybe I can put my lashes glue to rest for a while, because as you can see, for daytime it's really perfect. You don't need to put false lashes with this, guys. Long lasting, waterproof, definitely. I squeezed my eyes. It's good. It's still good. As you can see, there's no smudges in it. And what else? The curl stays up for a few hours already. The price is a little bit pricey, but I know this is worth it. So thank you so much, loves, for staying up to the end of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe in our mini family, like the video if you're liking the videos, and leave some comments below if you have any suggestions on what reviews do you want me to make, or any tutorial you want me to make. I would be very glad to do it for you. For the meantime, guys, don't forget to live life to the fullest, because we only live once, so better live, love, love. Bye!